Good Monday evening, Discovery students and staff. I wanted to take this time to share some updates with you guys as we begin our second full week of remote learning at Discovery High School. But before we begin those updates, my humor for this evening, I'll do my dad joke of the day, which just happens to also be math related, which as a former math teacher I appreciate. And so my joke is very simple. It goes simply as the average person is really mean. Ba-dum-bum. And so students, if you don't understand that, please send me an email or email Ms. Kellogg or Ms. Emerito, and any of us will be happy to explain the meaning of that joke. But hopefully you guys can figure that out. So into our updates, like I'd mentioned, this does begin our second week of remote learning. So students, please make sure that you are signing into Canvas daily and completing the assignments that your teachers have assigned, and that you're also checking email daily, as that is a way that either your teachers or I or Miss Arditi is sharing important information with you guys. So make sure you're checking that daily as well. And as you guys know, the governor signed a new executive order on Friday. And so today, about 45 minutes ago, a stay-at-home order was put into effect by the governor. And I know that for you guys, that adds some extra stress for probably you and your family. Just know that myself and the rest of the staff at Discovery are thinking about you guys, and please let us know if there's anything that you guys need as we continue to get used to what our new normal is going to be for a little while anyway. Spring break, I know some of you may be wondering about that. That will stay in place for you guys. So beginning next Friday, April the 10th through Friday, April 17th, you guys will not have any school, and teachers as well will be away from the remote learning aspect of this learning process that we're going through right now. And then that remote learning will pick back up after spring break on Monday, April the 20th. So again, spring break is still in place for you guys beginning next Friday. Again, guys, all joking aside, I know that this is a struggle for many of you and for many of us. As adults, we're still trying to figure all this stuff out too. So please, please, please know that we love you guys very much and that we're here for you. If there's anything you guys need at all, we're an email. I'll still be in the school building throughout this time, so feel free to call the school if you just need to chat for a little bit. But we're here for you guys if there's anything you guys need. And thinking about you guys constantly. The school building definitely is not the same without having you guys walking the halls and being able to see your smiling faces. Just know that you continue to be in our thoughts. And again, just let us know if you need anything. I will be checking back in with you guys soon with more updates, and if nothing else, to hopefully provide some more humor for you guys going forward. But have a great evening and stay safe.